Good day. The topic is about differentiation. According to chain rule, the derivative of a function f that is also a function of g with respect to x can be obtained as the product of the derivative of f and the derivative of g. In this problem, we want to find the derivative of y is equal to cosine x raised to the power of 10 minus 3x. So we can rewrite this as cosine x raised to the power of 10 minus 3x. Function is a function of x. In this case, cosine x is raised to another function of x, which is 10 minus 3x. So we have to bring down the 10 minus 3x before we can apply the derivative. So to do that, we will apply natural log on both sides. So you have ln of y equals ln of cosine x raised to the power of 10 minus 3x. And by property of logarithm,